Hey, welcome back, guys. So today on this video, we are talking about your Stan Store, and more specifically, I'm going to quickly answer a question I keep getting a lot on my other video, and that is, how do you add a coupon or a discount code to a Stan Store product? So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off, guys, real quick video, not too many steps involved, so be sure to stick around to the end of the video. But why would you want to add a coupon code in Stan Store anyways? Well, that's pretty easy. If you're running an online business, you know that sometimes you're going to give certain audiences a coupon code to draw them into your products. Whatever the case is, it's a pretty easy process. It's handled here in your Stan Store dashboard. Check my video description. I'll try to leave the written instructions there as well. But I've already logged into my Stan Store, and this is the home screen. Now here on the home screen, if you want to add a discount code or a coupon to one of your products, it's going to be handled on the product level. So first on the left, you're going to click on My Store. Once you click there, you want to scroll through until you see the product that you want to add a coupon code to. So for example, I have this great international food video course. Off to the right, I'm going to click on the three dots, and I'm going to click on Edit Product. Okay, once you do that, you're going to see these four options at the top, and you always want to check this one right here, Checkout Page. All right, once you do that, you're going to go ahead and just scroll down until you see these little check boxes and look for this one called Add Discount Code. You can see it's gray right now, but if you uncheck it, it's going to turn purple. Then you're going to be able to add a discount code. And what you're going to do is go ahead and give it some sort of code. So for example, you're watching my YouTube video. So maybe for my YouTube audience, I'm going to give a discount code of, let's say 50%. So that way, when someone purchases and they enter this discount code, they're going to get 50% off of this particular product. And you can add another discount code by clicking here. And let's go ahead and make the discount code Twitter. And then that part of my audience only gets a 40% discount. So now every time there's an order, for one, I'm going to know where the audience came from, because I'm only going to share this discount code with my YouTube audience, this one with my Twitter audience. Once you're done, go ahead and scroll down to the bottom, click on Publish. Okay, now we have a discount code in our Stan Store product right here. So there you have it, guys. If you're wondering how to add a discount code or a coupon code to your Stan Store product, that's the easiest way I know how to do it. If you know an easier way, be sure to leave a comment below. Let the rest of us know how you did it. Hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up, or maybe consider subscribing to my channel, and I hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.